Good morning everyone, I am AG. Today we will study 7th class. Okay. Electric current and its effect. Electric current and its effects. Okay. So this is a conductor. Okay. This is wire. So if I draw a single line, big line, smaller is minus, bigger is plus. This is what a cell. Okay, if I connect more of this, the cell will become a battery. Okay, so conductor, cell, battery. Then the switch is off condition. Then bulb is in off condition. If the switch is on, the bulb is in a on condition. Okay, we studied in 6th class. Okay, now we will study the electric current and its effect. We know that whenever we connect, this is a circuit, this is what a cell, plus minus switch off, this is the bulb in off condition. This is what open circuit, we studied in 6th class, open circuit. Then this will be closed circuit. This is what a closed circuit. Okay, the bulb is on. This is what closed circuit. We studied these are the symbols in 6th class so that we can draw a circuit diagram very easily. Okay, open condition, right? And closed circuit. Okay, so now when electricity, suppose if I cut this wire, so this is what the wire, zoom. Okay, what happens here? These are the electrons, these are free electrons. Mhm. These free electrons, the movement of the free electrons, the electricity will be generated. Okay, in a conductor the free electrons are there. Due to this free electrons, electricity is flowing in the conductor. Non-conductor, the material which do not conduct electricity, are called non-conductors. Okay, example wood, cement, glass. Conductor, copper, silver, iron. These are the. Now we will study the effect of electric current. Okay, what are the effects actually? What happens here? So if we rub our hands, so what will happen? So it will become hot, right? Rubbing action means a friction is produced. Here the electrons are moving in the conductor. Due to the movement of the electrons, there will be production of heat energy. There is the production of heat energy. So you know very well, when you switch on a TV at a long time, what will happen? You will get heating of the television. Or if you continuously switch on the fan up to 12 to 13 hours, the fan will be hot. Our iron, that is nothing but heating effect of electric current. Electric geyser. So these are nothing but we made this into heating effect. For our day-to-day use, we made iron and electric heater as a, by using electric current into heating effect. By this we can press our cloths, okay, and we can heat our water by geyser. So this is what heating effect of electric current. So how does heating effect produce? I told the electrons are moving. Due to electrons there will be a friction. Due to friction the heat will be produced. One effect is heating effect of electric current. Oh, another thing is that by this we can take an advantage, is that suppose this is our house, okay, and so there is a pole. From pole the electricity is coming. Okay, in between we will apply the fuse. What is the working of the fuse? So another thing you have seen like this. Okay, there is a fuse, right? So we will plug this in the In the movies you can see these things. Okay, olden days, 90 days. Okay, so when we plug it, this is a fuse. Okay, after that the wire will disconnect so that the current will go. Due to this, our house will be safe. The thing is, we can remember this, the fuse, and another thing, this is a transparent glass, here certain metal piece, and there is a wire. Okay, so what happens, this wire is made up of lead and tin. You can remember, whenever the more more current is flowing, what will happen, our all the appliances like fridge, AC will be short circuited. To avoid this problem, our electricity 220 volts will be flowing in our house. So when the current flows more than 220 volts, what happens? So we can remember, there is a watchman like Lati Wala Baba, we can remember Lati. L for lead and T for tin. So whenever the access current or more than 220 volts it flows in the wire gets heats up. Okay, in such a way that so that it gets melted up. So due to this, the connection will be disconnected. This will become a open circuit. Due to this, there is no access current flows. So due to this, our house will be safe. Okay, so this is what heating effect of electric current. Okay, next effect we will see in the next video. If you like this, please subscribe and share. Thank you. AGM द्वारा जनित में जारी नमस्कार.